back. It's Seb again from Hunter and Chavy Investments. This is the continued series of building my shed. So this will be, I think, part 3. So this will be putting these concrete silos. These are about 8 inch. I wanted a 6 inches. Comment below. That's ideal. 6 inch or 8 inch foundation silos for the shed. According to Massachusetts code, it has to be about 2 feet into the ground and 10 feet away from the house. And the shed I bought, it's less than 200 square feet, 200 square feet. So I don't need a license, I don't need a permit. So check with your local town for that. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Again, it's Hunter and Chavy Investments. It's a finance channel. Help people save money either through real estate, help people that want to sell their home, that don't have an ideal property. You can use Propstream to find these folks and offer them a solution, offer to buy the home. Comment below, subscribe. Any of the stuff I use on the affiliate link with Amazon helps support the channel. So I do hope you click on the affiliate link below and supports the channel further. Alright, so I made this is a 12 by 16. I put in 3 concrete silos. Measure out 4 feet. This is a 4 footer. I'm going to cut it in half to make it 2 feet, or 24 inches. You should just cut it with the regular wood saw. If you find it's made out of dense paper, corrugated paper. We have more than enough. We have 2. Cut that in half. So we need a total of 12, right? 3, 6, 9, 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Should be more than enough. So you're cutting this in half. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just approximate it half. I will put the ugly side down, I guess. I'm just space everything out. I'll fine tune everything. Like that line, I dug that out pretty well. That's sitting pretty deep in there. So keep on going. Measure out 2 feet. We'll cut in half. So what I'm gonna do is, so I dug down about 1.5 or 18 inches according to my locality. So now what I'm gonna do is level everything out because the hill kind of slopes this way, as you can see. I put the 2 by 4 by 16 inches to show you that slope. So I'm going to level that out, every single one that way, and we're going to level that way too. So left to right and back and forth. All right. All right. I pretty much trimmed everything, so it's pretty much leveled. Excuse the trash bag with duct tape, but you know I'm not a construction expert, so we're going to put the concrete in. We'll put the brackets, see those brackets there, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the box. That's going to hold the 4x4 pressure treated wood. So I'm using a fast setting concrete, so hopefully this works out. Just get like, you know, a pasty consistency. Pour that in here. Gotta work fast because this is a fast setting concrete. I want to harden up in this wheelbarrow. That'll be bad. There it goes. One pound is a 50-pound bag. I may need more. I have 12 posts to do, especially the ones in the back. We need more. See? First time doing this, so. Try and work quickly here. Popped off. You can get the trowler, basically a flat spatula. Pretty dang good. Top it off some more. I'm not even doing this right. I think one of the YouTube videos, you gotta get all the air bubbles out of it. I don't think I have time for that. Gotta throw what I can. Good enough. Move on to the second part. It's fast setting, like I said, I don't want time here. Bag, the short one, probably gonna need two bags. I failed to mention I put stone gravel at the base of this. That's what they recommended. Yeah. On the next trip, we're gonna do 2 bags. So I get full experience. Bag is just shy of it. So as the concrete set, it will harden and it will stay with the bracket. So that'll line up with that. Okay? I'll finish this off. It's getting late. I'll see you in the next episode. So it's a continuous series. You guys, hope you guys are loving this channel. Hit subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.